How's it going, guys? It's a nice hot Mississippi day, like 300 degrees in the shade. It's hot today, but I got something for you. I went ahead and for my fans, I got this MSD 4 relay kit for the truck. Should be a nice install. So let's take a quick look at it. Okay, so you can see you got your trigger wire here, or for your hot, or sorry, ground triggers here and here, main hot in the middle for your output, I believe. I gotta look at it again. And here's the inputs for 4 different leads. So I can use the sniper, hook into this, and that way I can have low side fans and then the high side fans on this other side. So this should all work out really good, and it should make for a very clean install. And right now I got the radiator out because I'm going to run the wires through here. And as you can see, I got the sniper, or the Hyper Spark from Sniper, or from Holly, and it's about wired up. I still got to clean up some of this stuff over here. This wire in here, this is for the fans. I just got it thrown in here right now. Got to redirect it, but I still have to find my starter wire. That's why those wires are out. But I have cleaned it up a lot from the last time y'all seen it. Not this big bundle of wires, just those little bits there. And if you've seen the short, you saw that Betty fired up. So I spent 3 days wiring on Betty. That wiring don't look pretty, but it works and it won't burn the truck down. So it's running. I still got to do the alternator on it and the voltage regulator and the rear tail lights. So that's what I gotta do on Betty, and then I gotta get exhaust on it, that way then I can start driving it. But I'm gonna work on red for a little bit tonight after work, get the relays installed, and we'll come back when I got that mounted and the wires run to it, and we'll see how good of an install it is. Alright, we'll be back. Well, guys, we're back at it again. It's a couple days later. I think it's Wednesday. No, it's Saturday. Sunday. Okay, so it's Sunday. I haven't touched the truck since the beginning of this video. This is major 2 days. But let's see what we got down here and see what I got cleaned up last time I was working on it. And back on this. But see that relay box is up there, and I got this cable here, all my wires in it from the fans, and I gotta hook up on these spots here. So that's what I'm gonna do tonight, and try and get this going. And I still gotta figure out my starter wiring. I forgot to mark it and I cut the wire. My fault, no big deal. Just gotta find it so I can wire it in. But overhead should be back running today or tomorrow. Should be. That's all I gotta do. I gotta hook these wires up, hook the radiator back up, fill it with water, and then get the starter done. And then I can go through and start doing the hyperpack stuff. So when I'm done with this and get everything straightened out, I'll finish this video out. Alright, later, guys. Alright, guys, so I finally got the relays wired up. Let's take a look at what we got. I know you've seen them before, and now you can see what they look like now. Nice relay box. Wires come up through the sheath. Come up. There's that wire that comes up. That's the main harness wire. Now then, I bet y'all are wondering why. Because this thing, let's talk electrical for a second. I don't know if I can get this off one-handed. Okay, so let's take a look at what we got here for sure. Okay, see it's got the tie bar in it on both those, and I got the yellows that are coming from the battery for the main power. Now then, each of those wires are sharing the load for each of these fans. Same with down here. Now, I really didn't have any wire the right size to really run these fans, because they pull about 40 amps. So what I did is I doubled up the smaller wires, which they will share the load, and so they can handle the 40 amps because they're in series, or sorry, in parallel. See, my brain's not working, it's too hot. But anyway, see this MSD has got fuses already in it, relays are in it. It's all wire, you just have to wire the ins and outs. Okay, now that blue wire there, that's the trigger wire from the sniper, and the green wire is the other trigger wire. So that's how I got that wired. Now then, last couple things I gotta do is I gotta get the hoses back on the radiator and fill it up with water, and then I gotta wire the relay for the start signal. And then all red's back on the road. So bigger and better with the Hyper Spark. So it'll be controlled just like a brand new vehicle. The ignition will be controlled by the computer, the fuel injection, so just have to tune it out. And I might make a video of me tuning on it and doing the fuel tables and the timing tables and things like that. Y'all might want to see it. If you don't want to see me do it, you can look up Joe Simpson on YouTube. He's taught me a lot already, and I went through his tuning course online. If you want to see some of the EFI stuff and how to tune the Holly stuff, he's a great resource. So I'll give him a quick little plug there. But anyway, it looks like it might rain, so I'm going to try and hurry up and get as much done as I can tonight. And hopefully the next video I make will be red running. So we'll see how this goes. Later, guys. This will conclude this one.